Today I'm gonna be reacting to my videos. Well, what are you doing, Toya? I'm trying to put this to YouTube. We're gonna be reacting to my video. See, I made this video. I just now made this video. It's August 10. And I'm not. So. Okay, I'm gonna be doing this again. Tell me so sad. Have you heard about it? Can I have mangas?
Nag-order lang ng dalawang
You watch my video forever, dog.
Kasi ito, nag-message pala.
What the? What the? I gotta see this with my labubu. Mommy, did you buy me the real labubu? Did you buy me the real labubu? Because look.
I don't know. Why? Real ba to? Nasa Big C? Original? 1.5 lang eh. Kasi daw pag original
5 ways to spot fake Labubu the monsters.
Oh, may mga ganyan naman. Alam mo na, pagka fake, ginagawa.
Did you buy me a real labubu?
No, it's not real. Talagang malalaman na ba? Ano, real?
Hoy! Why you throw to tita?
I did it by mistake.
By mistake. Sa Big C yan eh.
5 ways to spot fake Labubu the monsters. Take a closer look. 1. Check the face color.
Hindi, bawal nga daw.
2. Check the blush tone.
Dati ayaw niya yan.
Count the number of teeth.
Nagkagusto. Paano in-influence
4. Check the feet for Pop Mart logo. 5. Check the details on the label.
Kasi yung nipid na lang kasi
Hold up,
5
I'm
ways
gonna
to
check
spot
this.
fake Labubu the monsters. Take a closer look. 1. Check the face color.
Ito, baby pa lang siya. Nandito na to.
2. Check the blush tone.
Tagal na nito.
3. Count the number of teeth.
Aliin mo na lang.
Yung kuya niya na may laruan na maganda yun. 4 years old nang nawala. So,
Ano ba na?
iyak na iyak.
Why the hell does the fake go?
Nag-picture kaya?
4. Check the feet for Pop Mart logo.
Can you pass it to me?
5. Check the details on the label.
Can you?
Bakit ba ka kayo Victoria?
Here. Huh?
5 ways to spot fake Labubu the monsters.
Where's your Facebook?
Take a closer look. 1. Check the face color. 2. Check the blush tone. 3. Count the number of teeth. 4. Check the feet for Pop Mart logo. 5. Check the details on the label. 5 ways to spot fake Labubu the monsters.
Hold up, guys. I better zoom in. Hell no! Why do I have to read labubu?
What's your name? Reese story. Okay, I will add you to my Patricia, wait. I will add Naka-block kasi yung kay Pat. Naka-restrict pala. Hindi pwedeng basta siya ma-add. Naka-private. Send it to me. Here. I will message you, ha? Historia, here. Sino yung Riz Historia siya? May Riz ba yung pangalan niya?
Historia Riz.
Nene, don't do that.
Mommy, I stitched it up by myself. He's dead.
Patricia, close it. It's recording.
Eh.
Send me that, Tara.
What?
Remove
5 ways to spot fake Labubu the monsters. Take a closer look. 5 ways to spot fake Labubu.
Mapagawa ko pa pala yung kwintas niya, nasira yung ano niya, sobrang nipis pa na.
Lab.
Eh, sabi nila, nila ibenta. Or 2K di yata pagawa. Nawala yung ano ba yan, nahila niya.
Sayang.
Scary.
Kaya ginamit ko yung pendant. Ito yung pendant niya.
Let me put this up.
Hindi, yung chain niya ang nasira. Ito 18, matagal na rin to. Ayoko kasi na masyadong ano. Ito naman, 4 years na. Araw-araw lang. Kasi bawal sa
Zimomo.
Kay Pat.
Zimomo.
Yung
How
chain
to
niya,
take this
maganda
off?
yung chain niya. Kaso
I don't.
nahila niya. Nalagot.
Paano mo pwede naman ito pagawa mo?
Di pa ako nakapunta doon
What in the world?
Sa bakery. Nagtatrabaho din yung nanay ni Mami.
Yeah, this thing is trash. Let me post this.
Thank you, Tere.
Oh.
Pero pang mission.